Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is LG SQM1, a 2.0 channel soundbar, 40 watts audio output. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear to your TV with optical cable. The cable is not included in the packaging. Go to the back of the soundbar and connect the cable to in to this port. So the cable is in. Then take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV, and connect it to optical digital audio out. This is where it goes, optical digital audio out. The next thing to do is switch the soundbar on, select optical, so it will show you a white color for optical. The next thing to do is you need to switch your TV on, then go to your TV settings, select TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the right side or left side to optical. Optical out device, select on it. This soundbar and TV both are now connected together. We want to go to YouTube. Hello everyone, this printer, this is the audio. Hello everyone, this printer is HP Envy 6032E or 6000 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to copy documents with this printer. So we're going to copy this, stick the document face down, make sure the documents are from the top left, close the cover. So from the control, this button is for you to copy the document. This button is for you to copy the document black. To copy the document black and white, tap on this, the number will change. If you want to copy it to, you keep pressing it, the number will change. This button is for you to cancel the job. I want us to copy this document 1. Select the button, it will show you 1. So go to TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us optical out device. On the soundbar unit, it will show you a white light. This is how to connect the soundbar and TV using optical cable. Thank you very much indeed.